What if I told you that one daily habit could help you regain the muscle strength you had in your 40s, even if you're pushing 80? Over 50 million seniors worldwide suffer from sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. But here's the kicker. Losing muscle as you age is not inevitable. Today, we reveal the 7 powerful habits used by so-called super-agers, seniors who remain strong, independent, and vibrant well into their 80s and 90s. Stick with me, because the first habit is one most people completely misunderstand, and it could be accelerating your muscle loss without you even knowing it. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you're tuning in from today. Drop a comment below, and feel free to ask any questions you may have. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on life-changing tips from Life Fuel TV. Let's dive right into the 7 daily habits that can rebuild your muscle strength and restore youthful energy, starting with one most doctors still overlook. Habit number 1. Progressive resistance training. If you remember just one habit from this video, make it this one. Progressive resistance training. The secret? It's not about working out longer, it's about challenging your muscles with the right intensity. Studies show that people in their 70s who followed a progressive strength program gained over 3 pounds of muscle and increased strength by 35% in just 12 weeks. Focus on compound movements like squats, presses, and rows, tailored to your fitness level. 2 30-minute sessions per week can completely change the way your body ages. Habit number 2. Hormetic stressors. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Literally. Hormetic stressors like short cold showers, sauna sessions, and intermittent fasting gently stress your body, activating powerful cellular repair mechanisms. They boost mitochondrial function and activate longevity genes that keep your muscles strong, even in your 80s. Start small. Finish your shower with 30 seconds of cold water. Add 1 to 2 sauna sessions weekly if available. Or try eating within a 10-hour window. Your body responds to the challenge by getting tougher. Habit number 3. Protein timing. You're probably getting some protein, but are you timing it right? As we age, our muscles become resistant to protein, a phenomenon called anabolic resistance. That means your body needs protein spread throughout the day, not just one big meal. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal, especially at breakfast. That's your muscle-building window, and missing it is a lost opportunity. Habit number 4. Optimizing vitamin D. Vitamin D is more than the sunshine vitamin. It's your muscle's secret weapon. Over 80% of seniors are deficient, and low levels mean weaker muscles and greater risk of falls. Studies show optimal levels of vitamin D can increase muscle strength by 25%. Get your levels tested and aim for at least 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily, along with foods like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified dairy. Don't forget vitamin K2. It keeps calcium out of your arteries and in your bones. Habit number 5. Inflammation control. Chronic inflammation, also called inflammaging, is one of the biggest muscle killers. Even with exercise and protein, high inflammation prevents muscle growth. So what do super-agers do differently? They get 7 to 8 hours of sleep in dark, quiet rooms. Eat 30+ different plant foods per week, including fermented foods like yogurt and sauerkraut. Add omega-3s, curcumin, and green tea to reduce inflammation markers by up to 29%. Habit number 6. Targeted micronutrients. Micronutrients are the missing link in most seniors' health routines. You can eat right and exercise. But without these nutrients, your body can't fully use protein or build muscle. Super-agers make sure they get magnesium, critical for muscle function, yet 70% are deficient. Creatine improves strength and brain health, 3 to 5 grams per day. Methylated B12 boosts nerve signaling and energy. Zinc, selenium, chromium for muscle repair and insulin sensitivity. Habit number 7. Neuromuscular training. Here's something most people overlook. Your muscles don't just lose strength, they lose connection to your nerves. That's why walking isn't enough. Super-agers play ping pong, dance, or do tai chi, movements that challenge coordination and reaction time. These activities keep your neuromuscular junctions strong, improving balance, agility, and muscle activation. Even simple breathing techniques like box breathing can stimulate the vagus nerve and help maintain those vital nerve-to-muscle links. Let's recap the 7 daily habits that can restore your muscle strength. Progressive resistance training, hormetic stressors, cold, heat, fasting, protein, timing, vitamin D, optimization, inflammation control, essential micronutrients, neuromuscular training. Start where you are. Pick one habit and build from there. Aging doesn't have to mean weakness. It can mean wisdom, strength, and vitality. Tell us in the comments, which habit are you starting today? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Stay strong, stay young, stay unstoppable.